Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Caroll Spinney, the actor and puppeteer who portrayed Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch on Sesame Street over 5 decades, died Sunday at age 85. The Sesame Workshop said Spinney had died at home in Connecticut, and that he had long lived with dystonia, a disorder that causes involuntary muscle contractions.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heart attack. Mr. Hooper's last appearances on Sesame Street aired in 1983, but Lee's last segments for the show were taped in November 1982. Lee participated in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade with other Sesame Street characters a few days before he died of a heart attack on December 7, 1982.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Dystonia. Caroll Spinney, the puppeteer who played Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch for nearly 50 years on TV's Sesame Street, died Sunday at his home in Connecticut. He was 85. The Sesame Workshop, which produces the show, says Spinney had been suffering from dystonia, a disease that causes involuntary muscle movements.
Take our lead.
Today, 23 years later, Vogel, now 48, doesn't animate just any Muppet, he's the man inside the Muppet, taking over the role and voice of Big Bird from longtime puppeteer Caroll Spinney after he retired last year at age 85.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It was not until season 10 that Big Bird was officially identified as 6 years old. His age had been frozen since then. He's 6 years old in the 1985 film Follow That Bird, and still 6 in the 1989 special Sesame Street, 20 and still counting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.